Say hi, Reese. Oh, look at you. Ooh, I love this dog. I love him. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited about this video. It is one of the videos that I have been meaning to film forever now, and it's on how to moisturize and seal your hair, which is one of the things that I started doing for my hair religiously about, gosh, 6 months ago, that has really proven to be excellent for my hair. When I actively started moisturizing my hair with a proper water-based moisturizer and then sealing the ends with a good oil that was a little thicker than what I was using, my hair, I felt, bounce back. Like it just really started to look great. So I just want to show you the steps that I have learned to properly moisturize and seal my hair, along with the products I use that really helped. So see my hair right here? It's shiny. It's glossy, and I will admit this is how it looks a lot of the time because I take the time to take care of it. So the reason it looks glossy and shiny is because properly moisturizing your hair causes the cuticle of the hair to lay flat. Think of the cuticle of your hair as shingles on the roof of a house. When your hair is properly moisturized and hydrated, those shingles of your hair lay nice and flat. That causes light to reflect off of it beautifully, which results in a really glossy and shiny look. When you don't moisturize your hair, obviously it dries out. That causes the cuticle of your hair to dry out and look ragged, and the shingles won't lay flat, therefore resulting in a dull look, and it's one of the leading cause of flyaways. So what causes your hair to dry out? So some of the main reasons that I've experienced is abusing heat tools. So overuse of curling irons, reliance on flat irons, using a blow dryer too close to your hair will dry out your hair. It saps your hair of its moisture. Next up, a lot of people overwash their hair and under-condition. I can't tell you how many people write to me asking, is it really that important to deep condition your hair that often, like on a routine schedule? Yes. Another reason your hair may dry out is because of environmental reasons. You may be in the sun too much, or you're not tying it up or protecting it in the winter. I cannot tell you how important it is to wear a hat if you're going to be outside for hours on end in the sun, or washing your hair with a really good swimmer shampoo if you've gone swimming in a chlorinated pool, preferably after swimming in the ocean. Like salt water is really harsh on hair. So make sure that you're treating your hair carefully. When I go back home to Barbados and I go to the beach, I'll go swimming, and then I put leave-in conditioner in my hair, like a good, healthy dose of leave-in conditioner, until I get home to my grandparents' house and I'm able to wash my hair carefully. The next thing that really dries out your hair are chemical treatments, perming your hair with relaxers, color treatments, you name it. A lot of these things are really harsh and really do a number on your hair. Lastly, I can't tell you how many people use terrible old styling implements on their hair. If your comb is ragged and full of nicks and older than you are, get rid of it. If your brush is ratty and it catches in your hair while you're brushing your hair, get rid of it. All of these things are breaking your hair off, therefore causing further damage. It's just common sense. Okay, so I'll let you guys know that I just got my hair relaxed about a little over a week ago, and normally when I moisturize and seal my hair, it's when I do wash and goes, meaning I will wash my hair and put it up in a bun, okay? So let's say I wake up in the morning, I wash my hair, put it up in a bun, and then that evening, before I go to bed, I comb it out, and then I moisturize and seal it with my favorite products. These are the products I use to moisturize my hair. Stuff is hella good, hella moisturizing, so great. It's dope, it's so good. It's bae. I love it. So after I add some of that S-Curl moisturizer to my hair, I then use this Argan Oil from Leaves of Trees. The scent is Orange Blossom, but you can use any Argan Oil out there. I like Argan Oil because it's supremely moisturizing. It has great hydrating properties for an oil, and it's a little thicker. I feel like it just kind of adheres to your hair a little better than others. So I start by combing out my hair, and I'm gentle, okay? No need to rip the comb through your hair. Better take out these huge earrings. And I'm really quick with this. It's not, you know, I'm not too precise or anything. So there's one section. I'll probably just do about 6 sections. Comb it through. I'm just going to twist it. Take my activator. About, I don't know, 3 good pumps. I'm smoothing it onto my hair, onto the edges of my hair, right down to the ends. There. Okay. And then I just add about 2 drops of oil to the palm of my hand. 1, 2, 3. And apply, focusing on the ends. So I just want to reiterate, I wouldn't normally do this after flat ironing my hair. It will cause your hair to revert, so to go from straight to back to frizzy or just not straight. But I plan on just having my hair up for the rest of the week in a bun, so I don't want to wash it quite yet, but I still want it to be moisturized. So yeah, there we go. So I'm all done putting the S-Curl moisturizer and my Argan Oil in my hair, and I'm just going to loosen the twists. I just keep it in twists so that it's easier to manage as I apply the moisturizer. No particular reason for the twist at all. So I will apply the moisturizer and the oil right before bed, and then I just kind of leave it like that, and I just twist up my hair in the back and throw my silk hair wrap over my head and go to bed so that it's all nice and protected. The following morning, my hair will look like this. It'll feel a bit, you know, even when it's like a wash and go, it'll feel a bit, you know, greasy, but hey, I'm okay with that. As long as it's healthy and manageable and my hair is not breaking and it holds like this until wash day, I am fine. And then, so I wake up before work and I will brush it back. I forgot my brush and I'm not getting up to get it again. And I just do a quick bun. Ta-da! And this is how I go. So I feel that my hair drinks up this moisturizer and the oils throughout the day, and I repeat this whole process again before I go to bed. I get it, some people don't like putting that much product in their hair, especially day after day, but I feel like my hair really drinks it in. It doesn't bother me, it doesn't feel overly greasy or anything, and then at the end of the week I wash it out and start all over again. So this has been really fantastic for my hair, along with giving it a good cut a few months ago. Anyways, I hope you guys found this helpful. I will link all of the products that I use in the description box. If you have any tips for moisturizing your hair, I would love to hear them. I love learning from you guys. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I value every single one of my subscribers, and I cherish the time that you guys take to leave comments on my videos. Without you, I wouldn't have gotten to 15,000 subscribers, and I really pride myself on this. I'm at 15,000 subscribers and just under 1 million total views. So Thank you guys. I love you guys. Don't forget to check out my blog at styledomination.com, and I'm on Instagram at dominique.baker. Anyways, have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.